and let your enemies be scattered. Arise and let your enemies be scattered. The future of our children cannot be at stake. The future of our nation cannot be at stake. Thou will arise and have mercy upon Zion. For set time to favor her, yea, the set time is come. Komeli Scoveli Salias Mande Carreco Peladis Marai Compelas Cuveladua. Yayesu Kaini Askena. Let there be light. Light. Let light shine, that the voice of darkness might be quenched. Let light shine. Said gross and thick darkness, but the light and the glory of the Lord will be risen over you. Can you exempt yourself from that terror? Recently, the things I've been seeing are actually scary. Just like the tribulation Jesus was talking about in book of Matthew. I saw the flight scenario and so many things. Can you pray to God? Lord, make my ways right with you. May I walk in your perfect plan. May I walk in your perfect will. May I walk in your perfect will. That you are working in Zenith Bank does not mean that is your purpose. Lord, may I walk in your will. May I walk in your purpose. So that when we appear, I will be counted as a worthy servant. And that is what will matter most. Everyone following, Lord, make us a holy nation. Make us a holy people, holy family. There will be a rise of righteous men that will do damage to corruption. There will be a rise of new breed that will dive and give a big blow to corruption. And we are that generation that seek him. And Yeshua will say, lift up your heads, O ye gate, and be ye lifted up, everlasting door, that the righteous and holy nation shall come in. Every family following, you have infirmity or you are sick. We've prayed yesterday for you, but your healing is granted you this morning. He is walking with healing in his wings. He's dispatching healings. Whether you are in this room or you are following online, everything that looks impossible, God is making it possible. With God, all things are possible. Lord, may you begin healings, instant healings, both online and on site. I don't know what you have been struggling with, but instant healings, let them take place. That diabetic patient, that cancerous patient, that kidney, that insomnia, that migraine headache, those abdominal pain, back pain, loss of sight, short-sightedness, Lord, right as I speak right now, people are recovering and the spirit of infirmity is bound. Oh, Jesus. Spirit of infirmity bound. Vahata kumalate. We are not a religious people that will be coming every Saturday. No. We are chosen. God has called us to do this. Lord, may you begin to move, and every sickness will die a natural death. Every sickness. And if you are following, you have somebody in the hospital or somebody that is badly sick, you can connect the person right now, because I saw the healing in his wings. The healing in his wings. And he is healing men. That is the bread of children in the kingdom. He is giving bread to children. The bread of healing.